It's about 1:30 in the afternoon, and it looks like it's gonna turn into a blizzard. Our dog, a goofy dog, running around like crazy. And that's Daddy. He's shoving out snow. And here's the little one, calling to Sunny. They're best friends.
You're not bringing her in yet, are you?
No. There you go. They're best friends, actually. They're very, very good friends. Say, come, Sunny.
Come.
Call Sunny. Say, Sunny, got bone.
Come on.
Say, treat.
Treat. Treat.
Speak, Sunny. Good boy.
Whoa.
Comes Caitlin. Oh my God, our snow's so bad. This is the most snow I've seen since I've been here. 2006, December. After Christmas, December 26th. Pardon my voice because I still have a cold.